On today's episode of Home Care Digital, we're talking about should you outsource your social media? Here's the thing when it comes to when companies outsource their social media. What often happens is there's a huge likelihood that you're having similar posts as anyone else. And so here's them red apples and here's you as another red apple. Is this what you want? Do you want to be like everyone else? I've seen this time and time again where they hire a social media company and they have a ton of other home care clients and they post the same exact content. But if you're posting the same content as someone else, do you think that's gonna get results? No, we wanna be different, right? We wanna maybe be a different apple. This is an apple crisp, which is way better than a red delicious. I don't know why they're called red delicious. Apple crisp, that's my favorite. All right, but anyway, you wanna be the apple crisp, right? You want it to be way better, or even better yet, right? Instead of being an apple crisp, how about a pineapple? Pineapples are way better than apples, and I'm a big apple fan, so that's saying a lot. But what we want to do is we want to be different. We want to stand out. We want to look and be like, man, look at this difference. This is so much bigger, better, juicier, more delicious than this red apple. So when it comes to your social media, we need to be different. We need to do things that are different from what other people are doing. So if you choose to outsource it, you're just gonna have the same bland content that's not getting any results. And most of the companies are not focused on driving results or growing your following. It's just to have stuff being posted. And if you do the bare minimum, you're gonna get the bare minimum results. If you want actual results, then you need to put in the time and make it more effective and be different. Your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. Jeff Bezos. So are they going to be saying the exact same thing that they're saying about other companies if you're posting the same thing? Imagine if a client or a caregiver even was looking at multiple companies and saw the same content. Do you think that would look good? Do you think that would be impressive? Is that what you want your representation to be in your online marketing effort? No, you want to be different. You want to stand out. You don't want to be just like everyone else. Social media about community, real people, real engagement, real things going on. You, your team, we need to be in control of our social media because it is a fundamental piece of our entire marketing strategy and we can't outsource our marketing. It should be working cohesively with your email marketing, with your direct referral marketing, with events that you're hosting, collaborative events, referral sources. It's all one piece. So these are the skills that we need to acquire so that we can do successful social media strategies intertwined with our other marketing efforts. You are your brand. You want to be different. It is essential that you are responsible and you are in charge of your social media presence. Do you want to learn how so many people just like you are getting incredible results on social media? Then you have got to check out my brand new free training, Social Media Success, where you're going to learn the 5 biggest mistakes home care business owners are making and how you can avoid them. All you got to do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/social and start watching today.